Where's the garbage bag? Hey, bro. I got it. This week, you guys have been really awesome about taking care of that kind of stuff without me even mentioning it. Hey, Cassandra, you know you still have food in here, right? In your Tupperware?
Mm-hmm.
Don't let that go bad. Daniel. Daniel. Did you want to come in? Or? Yeah, it's okay. You live right around here?
Yeah.
Where at?
He said this?
Oh, okay. Around the corner practically. Cool. Welcome to our home. That must be the friend of his that was going to come over that one day, but then he went over to his house and got in trouble. Why do I have a message on Facebook?